Hello everyone, DJ3 back again. As you can see, I got more mail. So far this week is starting off good. This one is, I think, I don't know what it is. If it is what it is, it came pretty fast. And neat. Not quite what I thought, but they're actually bridge-sized super jumbo coil playing cards. Two of them are open. The other 6 are still sealed. Some are still in cellophane. I'm not even sure if I paid for this yet, but kind of cool. There's 5 reds, 3 blues, more contest prizes, or giveaway prizes I should say, no doubt. I was expecting they would be poker size, but hey, it's cool, whatever. And you can see they are good for blind people. Let's move along. This one here is from Illusionist. I've been waiting for it. Nothing else inside. Then we got 2 of the Ignite. Awesome. Look forward to those ones. And this one is from MJM Magic. And let's see what we got here. Oh wait, this one's coming out of the box already. This is, and it's not sealed or anything, but I believe that's just how it comes. This is the Leonard Green deck. I used to have one, then I traded it away, or gave it away I gave it away in one of my last giveaways that I did last year, the big one. And then I decided I want it, so I got it again. I also got Bicycle Limited Edition Series 1 and 2 because they're becoming a little bit harder to find and I like them, so I decided to get a couple more. We got the Expert back. Hopefully not the same as the one that I have, because there is one that's a newer version, slightly different. It looks like it is different, so the box looks different, so hopefully it is. We got Bicycle Hunter. This was on Kickstarter, and I was gonna get it, then I decided against it because it's, well, a little scary looking, as you can see, a little ugly, but we'll see if I made a good decision on picking it up or not. And lastly, the Bicycle Emotions. This one was also on Kickstarter. It failed, and CollectiblePlayingCards.com picked it up and produced it. Same, and this is another one from CollectiblePlayingCards.com. And I said, you know, it looks decent, so I might as well check it out. But anyways, that's what I've got today. A whole bunch of stuff. And who knows, tomorrow there might be more stuff. See you next time. Hello everyone, the V-Man is in the house. DJ32 here. I got more mail, unfortunately. That was what we got here. This one here is from Etsy. Well, actually it's from bellasbargains.something.com. Some vintage decks. And 2 bags, and how thoughtful. Double bags. Like going grocery shopping. And where the hell is my knife? Oh, here it is. So let's see. None of these are sealed, but they look like they're in pretty good condition so far. What do we got here? We got a Champion deck of cards by S&K Sales. And kind of the back design. Spectator Pinochle deck. It's my first Pinochle deck. I never had one before. But this one seemed like it was pretty cool. So I figured, why not? Then we got, this one's bridge size Lombardi playing cards. I already had one like this that I got from Magical Zach, but it did not come in a box, didn't have a name or anything like that. So I figured it'd be nice to have a box for one. Then there's a Club Reno, which, that's not actually the back design. There it is, pretty cool. Another Champion. Not sure why I got two of those, but one is red, one is blue. A Streamline, a vintage Streamline deck of cards. It has the back design that's ironically pictured on that other deck. There's another Streamline, a red one, and this one's got a back design like one I just reviewed yesterday, or the other day, that Time Face one, and a Barclay. Kind of looks like that, I think. Actually, no, it's actually just a an article back. Makes me wonder whether or not this is the original deck. That back design is actually kind of cool, but whatever. That's what I got in that one. I got one more. Put that aside. This one is from Amazon. Not exactly a deck of cards. It's Sequence. Game of Strategy. A little paper here. It actually involves a deck of cards, so that's why I got it. Well, that looks like a pretty nice deck of cards. Anyways, that's what I got today. Cards and games and all sorts of stuff. I'll see you next time. Maybe this week I'll have a little slowdown packages, but who knows. See ya. Hello everyone. Feeds Jose 32 back again. As you can see, I got more stuff today. Don't think I got anything yesterday, but today I definitely got some stuff. This one here, first of all, is from Buy Poker Direct. Let's see what we got in here. Aha. This was an Amazon thing. The top is Buy Poker Direct. And it's a ESPN deck. Apparently there's also a red one, but I didn't see that one. And, oh, it's made inside a Yippee. But apparently there is plastic versions, but I wanted a paper version and I found one. That's what it looks like on the back, minus this. Oh, it's a one-way design. Great. Alright, this one is from penguinrabbit.com. A bunch of stuffing. Receipts. Boris Wild Perfect Open Prediction. Sounds kind of cool. And we got the Angry God of Wealth. 2 of those. One of these Texan decks because I had one and it's pretty cool. Decided to get one more. And then we got six World Series of Poker decks, but they're not exactly what I was expecting. The back design is, at least according to this, what I already have. I was expecting a different back design. I'm a little bit disappointed with that. The picture was different. They're going to be hearing from me. I'll get this out of the way. A couple more. This one here was Calvin, one of my Facebook followers. Calvin got this for me in a trade sort of thing. And these are the Great Whites by Drummond Money Coots. He previously had the DMC Sarks, and it's part of the same series. It's called the Great Whites. There's your back design. It's not bad. I think it is Cardamundi, but I'm not entirely sure. And I got this one, another big package. This one is from intercol.co.uk. And they got a lot of decks. And then there'll be some rare, some not so, or some vintage, some not so vintage. This one is apparently not in a box. Kind of a nice back design. It's not even sure what it is exactly. I think it's a Russin deck. Definitely Russin faces. Pretty cool though. And then we got this one. Hang on, I'm going to open these all up. Okay, so let's have a look at this one again. So I got this one, which I think I got because it's a Russin deck, and it looks like it's pretty nice back design. Unfortunately, there's no box, and I'm a little bit disappointed with that. Then we got this Jack Daniels deck, vintage one, again, no box. Really disappointed about that. I mean, the cards look like they're brand new. Where the fuck is the box, you know? Pardon my language. Then you got this one, Uncle Sam, from the makers of Bicycle. Pretty vintage looking. And the reason why I liked it and wanted it, unfortunately it's all sticky. A leaf back, a vintage leaf back. Of course there's some that are brown that's nicer, but pretty awesome I think. Then there's this, which is a Cardamundi. I'm not sure if this is the original case or not. Printed in Belgium. It's pretty nice looking, so why not? And then we got these, which are actually brand new. I ordered some. I'm not even sure what company these are. That were Cardamundi. That had 4 different colors like that. And then they didn't have them. And they said, well, you got these ones. You want these ones? And I said, I figure why not. Kind of a diamondback pattern. And then there's this. A massive jumbo deck. Again, it's not in the box, kind of pisses me off, but it's pretty cool. It's a Piatnik deck from Austria. And you see the back design here. And it actually has a bunch of Magic cards. I was looking at it, it's got a double backer, point card, gaff cards, double-sided cards. Awesome for Magic. So anyways, that's what I got. I'll see you next time.